Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Focus door handle. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a Torx T20 screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. These tools are crucial for safely disassembling the door. Having a clean cloth nearby will help protect surfaces, and a small container will keep all your screws and parts organized. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient process. Now, let's move on to removing the interior door panel. Begin by gently prying off the small trim piece that sits behind the interior door handle. Next, you will find two Torx T20 screws. One is behind the trim you just removed, and the other is typically in the armrest area. After removing these, use your plastic trim removal tool to carefully unclip the door panel from the door frame, working your way around the edges. With the door panel off, we can now access the handle components. First, disconnect the electrical connector that powers your window switch assembly. This usually involves pressing a small tab and pulling. Next, you will see two control rods connected to the interior door handle mechanism. Carefully detach these rods, noting their positions for reassembly. Finally, check for any additional screws that might be securing the handle mechanism itself to the door frame and remove them. To remove the exterior handle, locate the rubber grommet on the door's edge, typically near the latch. Remove this grommet to reveal a Torx T20 screw. Loosen this screw, but do not remove it completely, as it releases the exterior handle. Once the handle is free, you can carefully slide it out. When you are ready to reassemble, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all screws are tightened and all connections, especially electrical ones, are securely fastened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.